Hello folks, today I've got a nice present for my mate Mark. Actually, more precisely, for his 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper, because I'm hooking him up with a set of 3W all-weather with lovely carpet, perfect fit car mats. So we're going to get those fitted into Tesla in a moment. I'm going to talk you through them as we go and some of the great features with these 3W mats, and at the end of it he's going to have something that's not only going to look and feel good, it's also going to keep the car protected, keep the carpets protected underneath, and they're a doddle to clean. You'll see my Model 3 Highland over here, and it's pretty filthy at the moment, as you see. I've got the same mats in mind now, because this is for the 2025 Model Y. These are the latest revision of the mats. I'll show you, it's the 2025. So we've got the new funky front end. But yeah, this is the latest revision of these mats. I've got the older ones in my Model Y, which is a 2023. But the Tesla mats, nothing wrong with them as such, but they're not the plushest things underfoot. They only offer sort of limited protection to the carpet underneath. You can see there's a gap down the side there, which Mark can get into. Mark's actually hoovered this out this morning. And of course, when they get wet, they're going to stay wet. That would be the easiest things in the world to get cleaned either. You're probably going to have to use a carpet shampooer on them. So actually, not bad as standard fit mat goes, and at least they give you standard fit mats. But we're just going to upgrade things a bit. We're going to make everything a little bit nicer and give the car a bit more protection. So let me just grab one of these mats to talk you through it a second. Unlike many a rubber floor mat, there's no smell to this whatsoever. Usually if you go into a car that's got rubber mats, you can smell it for days if not weeks after they've been installed, and it's a really horrible synthetic smell. Now if you go for the standard mats, you've got this essentially, and what you'll see with the design is there's a nice lip around the side, and that helps with that perfect fit, so it stops things falling down the side. And obviously it acts as a bit of a tray, so that coffee's just going to sit in here, which is going to make it much easier to deal with. Then we've also got the optional carpets, and have a look at the carpet. It's really nice thick material. I have done a little clip in another video where I actually cleaned these, and they're so unbelievably easy to clean. You could even take, you know, a jet wash to these, and they're going to cope with it admirably well. But I've never had the need because they're just so easy to sort of wipe down and hoover. And when one of these mats is at its absolute filthiest, with literally just some soapy water and a towel, you can get it looking like this again in about 30 seconds. And I'm not just saying that, that's how it is. 3W have kindly sent over a full set of mats and a boot liner, so let's get these installed. And then before you put the boot liner down, we've also got mats to go in this, which is the huge sort of underfloor storage space that you get in the Model Y. And there you can quite clearly see the perfect fit. It's a good place to show you because I can look at it top down. But you see there's absolutely no gap around the side with any of this, and that's what's going to really protect those carpets underneath. And then we've also got these brilliant perfect fit seat back protectors, so that when you've got the seats down and you've got full load in here, you're still protecting all this material, and you've still got easy access to this, which is great. And the last thing to protect is the frunk, and a lot of people keep their charging cables in here. That means they're out in all weathers, and you do drag in a bit of crud with them. There's a little bit in here now, and Mark keeps his cars absolutely spick and span. So we're going to pop a protector in here as well. Let's go and grab it. Done. And that's it really, folks. In what, 5 minutes, I've protected the interior of the car and the carpets as well as I possibly can. I just want to show you this perfect fit because I think it's really important to get this in the back of your cars where you're most likely to see a lot of action. And look at that, like it just moulds to the side of the car. We've got all this carpet in here, but you can see you can just pop this off and clean it, so you can clean the mat easily without having to remove the whole thing. But can you imagine a kid dropping a McDonald's milkshake in the back of that or something? It's going to be hideous. Where with this, you've got the actual carpets of the car protected. You can whip everything out and clean it thoroughly, and you can do that with a jet washer if you want. In the boot space, we've got loads of protection here now and protection under there. It's also got a bit of grip to it, so when you put something in here, you'll probably find it's not sliding around. We've even got the back of the seats covered. Am I getting that on camera? I think I am now. So when they go flat, you've got a nice level of protection there. And the driver's seat, we've now got this plush carpet underfoot and a nice even plusher area for you to put your heel when you're driving. And again, everything's protected. The best thing about these is, if you use my discount code, which is popping up on the screen along with a QR code, you'll get quite a lot of money off. There are also links in the video description and pinned as the top comment. You can choose to get them from Amazon. There's a code for Amazon down there if you prefer to buy from Amazon, but if you go to the 3W website, you're generally going to find the best deal, and perhaps depending on your location in the world. So use my discount code for that. All those codes are in the video description and pinned as the top comment. But that's how easy it is to upgrade your Tesla Model Y Juniper with some really, really high quality mats that are dead easy to clean. They're completely odour free. I should also mention, they're not emitting any kind of poisonous anything. So they're safe for pregnant people to be around. They're safe for children and pets to be around. I've got a Model 3 and a Model Y, and I've got these mats in both of my cars, and I did have one of the big competitors in there before, and I think these are much, much better. If you use my discount code, it is an affiliate link, which means I do get a little taste of it if you make an order. But I have to tell you, from the bottom of my heart, I don't promote things just for an affiliate link, you know. It really is a top quality product, and I wouldn't be telling you it's a top quality product if that were not the case. 3W have sent me these, but there's absolutely no sort of pressure on me to say nice things about them. I think they're fairly confident I will say nice things about them, because I've always said nice things about their product because I think they're very good. But full disclosure is important to me on this channel, and there you go. You have been disclosed. Now obviously I'm showing you these mats for the Tesla Model Y, the new Tesla Model Y. You can also get them for pretty much every Tesla you can think of, and lots of other brands. Now the brands do tend to be more US focused at the moment, but if you jump on the website you can easily find if there's something that will suit your particular car, your particular brand, make and model, etc. And I did say I've got these with the optional carpets, but you can also get them without the carpet, so remember that. If you want something perhaps a little bit more cost effective, or perhaps you're not that filthy, you're not out traipsing in mud too often, yeah, I'd certainly consider that. But the carpets do feel really nice and plush underfoot, so personally I was delighted to get the carpets in mine, and I wouldn't have it any other way now. But you know, get whatever suits you and your use case. The new Model Y, by the way, I did a video on one recently, but it's a lovely thing. I do think they've massively improved the looks of this front end for sure. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Suspension's a little bit nicer. It's not quite as harsh as it was. Feels a bit more assured on the road. I have done a full review of the Tesla Model Y, so check that video out if you haven't yet. And finally, I've just got to say a massive thank you to 3W for sending over these mats for us, because Mark's a very happy boy now. Thanks for watching this one, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please give the video a thumbs up. Come back for more soon. See ya. Huge thanks to all my channel members for your continued support. I really do appreciate it.